You want a rev bomb? There you go. The way this bike glides. Wow. So a lot of people were asking me in my previous video as to why am I switching off Buza in traffic. You know, because first of all, you're in city traffic, you're riding slow, and in this hyper bike you get heated up really fast, and you would want to avoid that. How can a bike this massive be so refined and so smooth to ride? The best part that I like about this bike is the feeling when I filter on this bike and go through gaps like this and without any issue. Mind you, these roads are free only on Sunday. Only on Sunday. Otherwise, it's really crowded. So after the construction of these metros here in Bangalore, and they're in full-fledged right now, it has become a little more easy for people to commute within the city, and I hope the traffic will reduce even more, so that on a daily basis we can ride our bikes like this in Bangalore city. Look at how calm it is, dude. I love my city, dude. Bangalore city is awesome. When you come to the signal and when you get that green, best feeling ever. Best feeling ever. Especially if you're on a hyper bike or a super bike within Bangalore city and you're going around, then it is the most awesome thing that you can feel. And it's green again. Very good. You see, that's what people do if the roads are free. They take off their helmets and feel the air. I so feel happy to feel that acceleration. So happy. Well, anyways, yeah, I knew that he wouldn't see. So people keep asking me this: is it not heavy to ride around? It's around 266 kgs. Is it not heavy? I would tell you, once you start getting used to this beast of a machine and the cushion that it has as a seat, trust me, you will feel very light when you're riding. I have total control. Zombies. I have total control when I'm riding this bike, and the seat is well cushioned, so it is soft. On these same roads, initially when I started my channel, when I used to go to Kolar Adigas, I used to capture other people riding Hayabusa and think I would want to ride a Hayabusa on these roads. You know, I will certainly someday buy this bike, dude. Honestly, it might not have all the tech in the world, but it's one of the beasts that you really want to own, you know. And now it feels really good. On the same street, I'm riding a Buza, a limited edition Buza. Zombies! Go fast, dude. It's not a fashion ramp. So in this video, I would want to share all the problems that you will face when you own a super bike and ride it in Bangalore city. One is, first of all, riding it in Bangalore city is itself a challenge. As you see here, there is a traffic jam, because of which, you know, your arms will start get too sore or tired really fast if you're stuck in traffic jam for long, because you're crouched down. So you'll get pain in your wrists, which you'll have to take care of, and you'll have to continue to ride because you'll have to reach home. So that's the first biggest thing. The second thing is, you cannot really shift above the second gear within the city because of the speed limits or the traffic again, because of which the tank area, the chassis and the engine and the heat and everything will really increase drastically, because of which you will sweat like crazy. And if you have a hot day like this, what the hell is this wire doing here, man? Okay. Yeah, and on a hot summer day like this, it will get even more hot. And the third thing is, you will suddenly feel sad for the bike when it's 1000cc or plus, and you see it being tortured like this. It's not torture really though, but you will feel for the bike. The next thing is filtering like this. If you do not have experience on a superbike to filter, you are in trouble, brother, because you have to take care of the acceleration. You'll have to know when you have to hold the clutch. When you're on a superbike, the level of frustration that increases, it's a little too much when you're within the city. You wouldn't really notice all these things when you're on a 300cc or lower. So when you see that a 150cc motorcycle rider is getting frustrated with this, imagine a 1300cc bike. Idiot, dude, absolute idiot. So in my previous video of Hayabusa, where a person was trying to street race with Busa on a Activa, you saw that I was riding Busa like it was a 150cc bike or something like that, filtering left and right. It was very easy. That is because that day I was not really tired, it was not really hot, and the traffic was very less. But on the other hand, today there is so much traffic and there are so many zombies around. It's very tough, very tough to ride Busa in city traffic. Yeah, so the next thing is, the biggest problem is, you know, the roads are not really good enough when you're riding a hypersport or a superbike, to be honest. He thinks I'm recording him, but that's not the case.